right here in the Chinese Garden of Friendship. How cute, right? This is probably gonna be just a piece of another vlog unless this garden is that big to where it can be its own video. But we'll see. So you guys stay tuned and look at all the nice scenery. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Go up these majestic steps. Hey, hey! So this morning we are going to the Blue Mountains. So we're here now about to get some brunch at this really good cafe. It's like on the corner before you go to the Newtown station. You guys can probably see it's like we're on the street. So it's pretty cool. But this is Grace. There's Maddie, Stephanie, and Jordan. So, I'll catch you guys whenever we get our food. We ate here once before and it was really, really good. So hopefully it's even better this time. So stay tuned and I'll catch y'all then. Ooh, so we got a bunch of freaking omelets.
I know.
Everybody got an omelet. She got toast, which is a lot healthier than all these omelets.
It's good. I don't want
It's good. Passing a station. So it's a bunch of just looking at the backs of buildings and trees and stuff. So we're just chilling. Everyone's just chilling. Well, we're not going to the mountains. That was a bad idea. Well, not a bad idea. It was badly planned. So it's not gonna work out because we would have to take a 2-hour ride and then wait for an hour for the train. So that ain't gonna work. But we're gonna do nature walk, beach walk, like a beach coastal walk. So that should be more fitting for the time. So I'll meet y'all when we get to the beach now. So stay tuned and yeah. So right now we're just waiting. So it'll be a while, but we'll get there. We made it. We're finally at the beach. Took us a little while, but and like a bus ride or two and everything, but oh my gosh, it's so nice. Isn't it beautiful? And we can walk all the way around, like all the way to out there. It goes around to like another little beach spot over there. It's so pretty. I wore the wrong shoes, so I'm not really trying to go on the sand today, but I don't know. I might have to, because it took us a while to get over here, and I don't know if we're gonna come back again, but it's very, very nice. The water is very blue. It's like turquoise, as you can see, it's like turquoise, and then it gets darker, but it looks a lot deeper up close than going in the water. Alright.
Oh, you can get like a go over there. Are you guys down? Yes? Yeah. Let's do it.
No bad.
Let's do it. Are you guys down?
I'm trying not to drop my camera though. It's an extreme sport to video all this climbing and then not drop the camera. But it's so beautiful. Like I'm on the rocks in the water. You can see the water like splashing up on those rocks over there. And then even over here. So pretty. And the other girls are over there. They went all the way like far. So I was not going that far. But you know me. I kept it cute and kept it safe. And I stayed down here. But it's really, really fun. Having a really good time at the beach and everything. It's like a once in a lifetime experience to be like, I'm sure they have like these mountains and water elsewhere, but like to do this with my friends and like on this journey, it's really, really fun. And we're having such a good time. This morning we had brunch before we came here, and the world is just amazing, man. It's just great, you know. I'm just feeling the vibe right now, you know. So I really hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I know some of it's kind of choppy, but you see all the good scenery and things that we're seeing, so it's pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool, man. So I gotta travel more often.
That's probably the path we're gonna walk along down there.
Yeah, to the next beach.
So we could like cut through those rocks.
So you walk through all these different little paths, and then each little nook is like a different beach. So over there around that edge is like another beach. So pretty. I'm not going any further. I'm like on the edge over here, and that's like the cliff. So we're gonna keep it cute and stay right here. It's so pretty. Oh, I would love to live like right here on the water.
Right? Imagine living in one of those places right there.
That's where they should have housed us at. It would have been way more than what it was though.
People probably do cliff jumping. Oh, I
don't know about.
legal, though.
I think it's too shallow right here.
I might be too shallow.
Oh, it's way too shallow right here. But I mean, yeah, people pour stuff in. Yeah. I think didn't someone said they were trying to jump off the bridge. I thought it was you. I don't know. Yeah.
Look, right here on the cliff. Right on the edge. Still on the walk. We're trying to get all the way over there to Bondi Beach, which is supposed to be so amazing. We probably walked like 2 miles by now, but we're getting somewhere. So stay tuned. We'll be there probably freaking tomorrow. Oh look, here's a cemetery. It's kind of creepy. There's a lot of dead people. But anyway, cool cemetery, I guess. Keep going. It's like this
No,
cool.
it seems like a really cool bar.
God, that's a lot of dead people.
Where?
Yeah.
Yeah, the secret bar.
We made it to the Bondi Beach. 6 miles later. Along this cute little trail that goes all the way down 6 miles.
He's a really easy guy.
So pretty. So pretty. Definitely worth it. Definitely. I didn't think we were gonna make it. At one point I was about to tap out, but we got here. And they have these huge Olympic pools right there by the beach. Too bad I can't swim that good, but it's nice to see other people utilizing this dirty pool. Well, it's not that dirty. Let me not throw shade. It ain't that dirty, but there is stuff in the bottom. I don't know what that stuff is. But anyway, you get the idea. Look at him. Come back, you guys. This is so cool. Oh, look, he's gonna go there. Oh, here he comes. There's that one. This is so cool. We're like right here, like on the beach part. It's really neat.
It is.
So we're all done with our walk and we made it to this food place. We're waiting on Jordan's food. I got a crab burger. She got salmon and I don't know what that is, but it looks good.
Some healthy stuff, like solid.
Maddie got something. She got some fries on a thing of something.
Thank you.
It's so good. And she got fish and chips.
Oh, how are you?
Oh, and this is delicious. Thank you. Thank you. All done with dinner. Walking down the boardwalk. It's so pretty. They had the best mango smoothie, so I got one to go. But I should have got a sleeve because it's freezing cold. And we're out here by the water, makes it worse. But it tastes really good. You think that's gonna fit on my head? Oh, let me get it so I can hold this. Okay, anyway. But yeah, so we're headed back now. Yeah, it's very, very pretty. So we'll catch you guys whenever we get back to our housing or on the bus. We have like 2 to go before we get to where we're supposed to be. So yeah, stay tuned. We're home safe, finally, an hour later, but it wasn't bad. It was a really good day. I'll go in here the way y'all go. It was a really good day though. I mean, I can't complain. We had a really good time. I'll try to insert some pictures in here though y'all can see like the beautiful view. It was like amazing. The pictures really don't show how amazing it was, but I'll throw them in there the way y'all can be a part of it and you can kind of experience a little bit of what I got to see. I'm trying to avoid showing y'all the whole room because it's kind of a mess. But anyway, so yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly had a great day. I think we're gonna go out in a little bit and go to a place called Holy Moly. It's like a putt-putt place, like go in the dark putt-putt and like drinks and everything, because drinking age here is 18. Haha. So anyway, I think we're gonna go there. If not, we'll probably just hang out here and play spades, which I just learned how to play last night. So I'm still, you know, getting up on my skills. But we're either gonna do spades or Holy Moly. And I probably won't take the camera to Holy Moly just because that's too much to like try to have fun, like drink and play putt-putt and video and all that be too much. So I'll probably end the vlog here. But like I said, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned for some pictures. If I haven't already inserted them, they'll be after this. All right, good day, mate.